Mate, what are you doing?
Warming up.
Warming up for what?
Just warming up. Jess has really long legs.
Jess has got really long legs, bro.
So that was the most miserable morning ever. I just had to get an Uber halfway to work because I broke a spoke. It is horrible weather outside. I wore like 3 jackets to ride in and I'm still shivering. This is the first time ever that George's flats felt warm.
Oh, no.
Is this part of your training? Is it in Ken's training plan?
Yep. Zone 2, coffee grinding.
What have you done?
This is my first weaving project.
Not on my wall.
But what is it?
It's a wall hanging.
A wall hanging.
For what?
For the wall. It makes you feel good. Look at it, close to you.
It makes me feel a bit sick. Oh no.
I hate England.
So first mission of today, we're going to get some Christmas decorations. Even though it's not Christmas. Power shuttle bus?
It's branded for Infotrack.
How many watts does the bus do?
107. It's not really good. Really bad.
It's a nice bike, that one.
Invisible bike again. You ride it,
Super light.
It's a unicycle, isn't it?
Always take the stairs. Merry Jammas. So what are we going to do? We're going to sell our products by dressing you up as a weird Christmas animal or something.
Eat chocolate J's. Just eat loads of chocolate J's. New beard. Swirl ginger.
I don't think that's an intentional game.
It's a game. Can I be in your
Why
band
do
now?
we let you come outside with us?
Can I be in your band now?
Well, if you've got hair like that, you can be in the band. You Simon Neil from Biffy Clyro. Now do a vlog.
Oh, I found the face mask section. Manuka honey. Peel off face mask.
Nibs. Nibs.
There's no Santa hats in the Santa hat shop. Ooh, but there is this.
Don't put that on near me, mate. I've got to be honest, mate. I always thought Hema was a blood charity.
Hematoma.
Yeah. It's not though, is it? It's just a normal shop.
It's one of my old clients.
Is it?
Yeah, seriously.
It's terrible.
The cheap, like
Tiger, but no fun.
like tiger, yeah. I think they're milking the bananas to make the banana bread.
That's not how they make banana bread,
I
mate.
don't care, you milk everything. You milk the glasses, you milk the roses, you milk the pepper, salt, coffee, sugar, jesses.
Everything except for a cow. You milk Jess.
I don't. We ran for a bus.
I know, I couldn't even film it. We ran that quick.
And the legends waited for us.
Free bus.
Good bus.
It totally makes all the rent that George pays worth it. I got a free bus. Can't fix the front door though. Show me what you got. What you got? Ah, so these are like your winning jerseys.
Yes. That was our team name. Eat, ride, repeat.
What the f? I know you got a special like diet plan, but really, it's just raw broccoli. You're gonna try it on. Merry Christmas, Jess.
Oh shit. I've taken my thingy out and done my thingy.
Oh, it's the top secret one.
Yeah, the top secret thingy.
The poison gas.
Yeah.
So when George comes in, we've got the lights pointing at the door. It's gonna shine him in the face. Has he got a key? I don't know.
Dude, bloody fuck. Oh. Negative on the bottom brackets.
Still no pot brackets?
No. You're wondering what we were doing while you were gone.
Who's the creative director on this project? I like it.
Me actually. Yeah.
Turn Chris into a box.
I think Jess, like, you take credit for all of this. Really amazing
This
work.
is my vision.
I'm just gonna fill you up a bit.
Thank you. I appreciate you filling me up. Add some more. Add some
That
more.
sounds really.
Can't
say that. I mean, I'm going to put baubles in your. Fuck it, just shut up. I don't know what I'm doing.
Put baubles in my box.
You ready?
I was born ready.
So good, you finally got your helmet scan helmet done. Yeah, looks great.
Those guys are really quick.
Yeah.
350 quid, they bargain, right?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh, Christmas, Chris. Oh, Christmas, Chris. Feels so festive.
You've got carbon brake.
I can't even see outside.
And
Got to ride home in that.
when you take this off, it's still just as foggy outside. If I give you my carbon front parkour wheel,
I will use it. Right, I'm going to brave the elements, head over to James's shop, get the wheel repaired. I hope he's got the right length spoke. Boy, what do you reckon to these skills?
now I'll be honest with you, I didn't think that was salvageable, and
I've done it. Here's the broken spoke. So the hole is there, and these two spokes here, I've loosened off just enough that the wheel is true enough to go around again, because this morning it was rubbing the frame, and that's why I had to get the Uber.
this one is rubbing
The inside of the forks.
The inside of the fork, yeah.
Now it's so true. Down to my amazing, like I did a wheel
Brake
building course
caliper's
once.
shut, I mean-
Brake caliper is closed and it still spins amazingly
how
well.
long ago was that wheel building course you did?
What, I don't know, 8 years ago?
It's just stuck in there
Yeah,
somewhere.
yeah, yeah. The man who did the teaching for the wheel building course, after we left, like there was like 10 of us there, and he's like, you have to go home and you have got to build a load of wheels because otherwise you're going to forget all of it. I didn't. I did nothing. I forgot all of it except for this.
Except for this one
This was the
incident.
reason I did the wheel building course. Now I can ride over to James's and get it fixed properly. Hopefully he's got a spoke, and hopefully he doesn't make me true it either. I've used all my energy.
But yeah, you're
doing
gone.
that.
All your skills are gone. You used up all your chips. I'm going to pop.
I'm going to teleport to the shop. You ready?
Like that.
What are you wearing, mate?
What's wrong with what I'm wearing?
Well, I mean, you're not in normal cycling attire. Very on brand, I'll give you
Well,
that.
for you now.
But what?
Quit my jam
But
job.
why? Look at the state of your bike. But more importantly, look at the state of my fucking floor, you bastard!
It rained a little bit on the way home. Got a broken spoke.
And you got cold.
I got quite cold.
You got broken spoke. Oh, I need to fix that for you now.
So I've changed into nice warm yellow t-shirt and these trousers that don't fit.
We should probably tell the viewers that I basically came upstairs when I was in the middle of a fit, and you were a shivering wreck.
Yeah.
It was one of the
That's
funniest
twice
things
today.
I've ever
Twice
seen.
today.
So you're feeling better from Saturday night? I felt rough as arseholes on Sunday morning. What are we going to talk about, viewers? What are we going to talk about?
They can't respond that quickly.
Oh yeah.
This is why you're not vlogging me.
But yeah, absolutely.
Oh, and these socks.
Are you still cold?
A little bit, why?
There's a jumper there. Put a jumper on.
Oh yeah. These Ponzi ones.
Well, don't get it dirty.
Not wearing that.
It's a present.
Not wearing that.
You doing well?
How's the shop going?
The shop is going incredibly well. I've had so many people turn up from all over the fucking globe. It's ridiculous.
There's an Austrian guy just there.
Yeah, he was. He came over from Austria this morning. Flew over. He's one of a few people that have been over from the continent now. It's been incredible. So thank you to everybody who's been over here. Someone from Germany. I got a guy from Dubai coming over, flying over specifically for it on Friday. A couple of guys I'm talking to in America. I've got a guy I'm talking to in the Philippines as well.
Poor people, they have to spend like 4 hours with you after going all this way.
It's a bit rich coming from you. You enjoyed riding across the desert with me, mate.
Enjoyed.
No, enjoyed is too strong a word, isn't it? Huh?
This is like when you drop a pick in a guitar, an acoustic guitar, and you never get it out again.
Hey! Levi! Hey!
Just drop the nipple inside the wheel again.
Well, I haven't heard the name there.
Sir! How many fucking times? Disgrace!
I say
So right. So you know a bike shop owner when you see one, because you can tell by the state of their bike. Enter my business partner's bike with non-matching hoods. Not only non-matching hoods, they're different colours.
It's named after the guy from Fresh Prince. It's not unusual to be loved.
You ought to be ashamed of
Poor
yourself,
guy.
James. Absolute jalopy.
rides very nicely.
Shut it,
So I'm going to head back out into the horrible Arctic weather outside. It's still pissing it down. I'm going to get soaked. He should be riding home. He lives in the same direction as me.
Well, I don't. I'm going much further afield. I'm going to walk.
It's not that far.
It's not that far, but I can't be bothered. I mean, look at the state of you. You're shivering already. You're not even outside. You're making me cold just looking at you. Sir.